Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue? It's a question that has fascinated people for centuries. From poets to scientists, everyone has tried to understand this everyday phenomenon. But what's the real science behind it? Why is the sky blue? It's a simple question with a surprisingly complex answer. The sky's color is a result of the way sunlight interacts with our atmosphere. It's something we see every day but rarely stop to think about. The blue sky is so familiar that we often take it for granted, but when you dig a little deeper, you'll find a fascinating story of light and molecules. Let's break it down, the facts and technology way. We'll explore the science behind this everyday wonder and uncover the secrets of the sky's beautiful blue hue. The sky's color comes from something called Rayleigh scattering. This scientific principle explains how light is scattered by particles much smaller than the wavelength of the light. When sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it bumps into air molecules like nitrogen and oxygen. These collisions cause the light to scatter in different directions, but not all colors of light scatter equally. Sunlight might look white, but it's actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each of these colors has a different wavelength. Each color has a different wavelength. Red light has the longest wavelength, while blue and violet light have much shorter wavelengths. This difference in wavelength is crucial to understanding why the sky appears blue. Here's the cool part. Blue light has a shorter wavelength, so it gets scattered in all directions by those tiny air molecules. This scattering causes the blue light to spread across the sky, making it appear blue to our eyes. That's why the whole sky looks blue to our eyes. But what about sunsets? Why do they look so different from the blue sky we see during the day? At sunset, sunlight travels through more atmosphere. This longer path means that the light encounters even more air molecules, causing even more scattering. The blue and violet light scatter so much that they don't reach us. Instead, the longer wavelengths like red and orange dominate the sky, creating those stunning sunset colors. Instead, we see the reds and oranges, the longer wavelengths. This is why sunsets are often filled with rich, warm colors that can take your breath away. Isn't it amazing how something as simple as the color of the sky can be explained by science? It's a beautiful reminder of the wonders of our natural world and the power of scientific inquiry. It's proof that science is everywhere, waiting to be explored. From the sky above to the ground beneath our feet, there's always something new to learn and discover. If you love learning about everyday science and tech, hit that subscribe button and join the Facts and Technology family. We bring you fascinating insights into the world around us, making science fun and accessible for everyone. Share this video with someone who loves to ask why. Because curiosity is the first step to discovery, and there's always more to explore.